Good evening. Just gonna slap together a quick little cat video here for you. Ivan was overworking, pushing a bit of bush, and had a little mishap with the cat. Broke a little something underneath. And this afternoon here I was over with him and he tacked it together just enough so he could get it loaded up on the truck and hauled it home here. And now we're just gonna put some tires down on the floor of the shop so he can roll it in there and thaw it out, get some welding done.
And this is why I don't like keeping cats in the shop peeing on the floor. Cats in the shop suck. My humor is pretty shitty, I know. Thought I'd make a little clip for Roxanne here. She started a video yesterday, I believe, when we were bringing this thing in. Back that up a little bit so we can see her. Anyway, I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on, and I think she's out for a run right now. She'll be here in a bit, and we'll continue this, but I'll make up a little clip for her right now. So I was doing some bushwork with it, and just got the job done. I was cleaning up one other little spot, and thought I felt like I had a stump or something caught under me. Backed up and went to go ahead, and felt a little bit of a pull. And anyway, went away real quick, but I could see marks in the snow behind me, so I jumped out, and lo and behold, I don't know, maybe you guys can't see this, hang on, there we go. I don't know if they call the piece that holds the track frame under here the wishbone or something like that, but that big piece broke. The piece that I've got the chain tied to was hanging down on the ground, and it was dragging. So anyway, I backed it back up to the yard where I was working and plugged her in. We chained it up and loaded her up on a truck and got her back here. So now I got to do some deciphering on how to get her back into place and do some welding on it, I guess. Anyway, when Roxanne gets back here, we'll continue this. Maybe I'll get the cat pee squeegeed out of the door before she gets here. I had this little heater running under there to help thaw things out. Nick was running it this fall and didn't get the track frame quite all cleaned out there the one day, and still got one chunk of mud in there. We're gonna clean that out, because of course I gotta sort of lay across in here to get the top side of that piece welded, get this all cleaned out. Man, it's gross in here. Anyway, when we can see a little more, we'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Quite a bit later. Dark out now. But we got a little bit further on this. I didn't have to pull the track over any further, or the track frame over any further, I mean. I just got underneath with a crowbar and a sledgehammer, and the back piece that was broke off, I slid a little bit over, and it got right into place then. So we done some welding. I'm getting too old for this. Done a little bit of welding. There was a lot of horse shit going down on top of this thing beforehand. So I fixed where it broke in the middle here. I welded that with the stick. And then went all the way around it. Done the sides and the bottom with the MIG, because underneath I can't weld with a stick to save my life. But anyway, we got all that done. Then I made a brace for the top here. I'm going to make one more and set it right beside it, like right in here. I'm using 1 inch by 2 inch. Might be a little overkill, but that's what I had. But they had so many other things going on here, I ended up having to fill in. Oh, my phone's dying. Needs a light. Here we go. Here's another light. Anyway, I had to make some pieces to fill in back beyond here. Get this trouble light for you. Fill in the gaps because they had so many braces there. But anyway, this is welded in now, and yeah, hopefully that hangs on. Like I say, I'll put one more beside it over there, and then I'm going to put one underneath. So there'll be two on top and one underneath. It's welded up real good underneath there already. Got the sides real well. They're welded real well. Hopefully 3 big braces like that hold it together. All they had was like a little plate here on it, 3/16 plate. I don't know why they made it so their braces so light, but okay, let's take a quick gander underneath. Bring you back in a minute. Okay, we're underneath. My light working for that? Welded. I think that'll hold. What a place to work, though. Like, not a lot of room under here. Good thing I'm not a very big guy. Anyway, maybe I'll do one more when I'm done underneath here and on top, and we'll have her wrapped up. Maybe Roxanne will come out and do some videoing. I'll stuff her under here. But if I put the light there, maybe we can see. I'm going to put the brace right along this edge over here, and we'll call that good. See you later. Think you got it?
Christ only knows. It looks like shit on a stick.
Just the slag that looks shitty there. Bring you back in a minute. Looks pretty damn good there.
Not bad for a hairlet.
Well, your root is really getting in there. It's a hell of a crack, and it's awfully dirty behind there, so some of it's going to look a little shitty.
It's just the blade on the front of the cat, so you know eventually it'll get smoothed off.
Say that again?
It's the blade.
It's not important?
It is important. I mean, it's going to push a lot of things. It'll get smoothed off over time.
No, yeah. Your weld is actually pretty smooth already. We'll fill that in.
How's that? Does it pass inspection?
It's pretty goddamn good to me. That was a hell of a gap in that one.
It wasn't quite 6 passes.
How many passes?
I don't remember. I lost count. 3, 2, 3.
Professional is 3, I think. We'll ask all straight pipes there if 3 passes is professional, or 5, or 1, or what.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. Good job.
Coffee time.
You a union worker?
I live for coffee time.
Sounds good to me. Good job, dear.
Let's go.
Hanging it up, are ya?
Hanging it up. Let's go. back together again and hauled back out to finish up your job. And here we are chucking the tires back out on this junk tire pile, I guess.
Clean up the aftermath.
Yep. So we need these tires again for something else, I suppose.
Yeah. Next time it breaks down, I guess.
I guess so. Or maybe if Rob needs one for something.
Oh, I hope we don't need these ones.
Who knows with Rob?
Yeah, that's true.
Yep. Alright, well, thanks for watching our video. Make sure you stop by again.